Welcome back to this video. If you use Alipay or you have Alipay app on your phone and you find it difficult to recharge or top up your Alipay app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to request for a recharge from friends or relatives on Alipay to help you top up your Alipay without any stress. So let's see. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Alipay app. Before you can have access to this feature in Alipay app, make sure you update your Alipay to a latest version. So after you have successfully update your Alipay to a latest version, so you'll be able to see the features of asking a friend to recharge your Alipay balance. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here to proceed to your profile. It's going to take you right here, just like what you see right here, has a friend to recharge. So click on that. Then it's going to take you to your balance right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on recharge. That's going to take you right here. Now, from this point here, you need to you need to enter amount that you want a friend to recharge for you. So I'm going to simply enter 10 yen. Then I'll click on ask friends. That's going to take you right here. So right here, you will need to click on here to choose the friend. So it's going to take you to your friend list right here. So right here, simply select the friend. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and look for the friend. I'm going to simply scroll down right here. I'm going to use this particular friend right here. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to proceed. So you can see successfully sent. So you can see it as complete and successful. So what you need to do is to wait for the friend to credit your Alipay account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply ask friends to recharge your Alipay wallet top up. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.